It's barley and vegetable soup. To begin the soup, I'm using butter. I'm going to add in little bit of oil, some finely chopped garlic, some chopped ginger, some onions, finely chopped carrots, some finely chopped beans, finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped bell peppers, and I have another ingredient. It is celery. I'll close the lid and cook for some time. At this stage, I'm going to add in some salt. I'll keep this covered for another minute. To this, I'm going to add in Pavbhaji masala. This is boiled barley. I'm keeping barley and the stock of it. I'll allow this to boil for some time. I can switch off the flame. Now it's time to serve the yummy soup. For more healthy soups, subscribe SBL Foods.